Hey everyone, and welcome back to Shib. In just 48 hours, Shib Inu's CEO revealed a secret price pump. When the price falls and rises in a U-shaped pattern in the first stage, followed by a quick move sideways or downward in the second, a cup and handle pattern forms. It's important to note that the price trend forms under a common resistance level. Usually, cup and handle patterns end when the price breaks above the resistance level. For example, SHIB ended its pattern on August 14th after rising 27% to 0.16. In this video, we'll talk about shibainu CEO revealed secret price pump in 48 hours. Do not forget to give the video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to see our newest videos about expert forecasts and Shiba Inu price changes right away. Let's start the movie. To find the goal for a cup and handle breakout, you add the distance between the pattern's lowest point and the resistance line to the breakout point. This means that Shib could go toward 0.2253, which would mean a 50% price rise by September. Shiba Inu's price went up 27% in one day on August 14th, but there were no clear reasons for it. The only thing that stood out was a metric that showed Shibu's burn rate increased by 825% in a day, but the amount of Shib that was burned was worth only over $4,500.00. The Shiba Inu network has burned for $6,360,000.00 worth of Shib tokens in its lifetime. The Shiba Inu rally happened almost 10 days after Binance announced that it would support Shib on its payment cards issued in Europe. This increased Shib's chances of finding new users in the growing European cryptocurrency market. However, weak fundamentals could cancel out Shib's technically bullish bias, since cup and handle breakouts only 61% of the time they meet their profit targets. If Shib fails to break above the 200-day exponential moving average near 0.1755, it could aim for a 20% drop to 0.1806, which is 20% below the price on August 14th. Shiba Inu's cup and handle setup might not work because the token's daily relative strength index is overbought. In particular, the RSI has crossed above 70, which usually means a period of sideways consolidation or pullback. The latest signs that the crypto market is recovering could mean that a bull run is coming. Skeptics are still not sure where some crypto assets will be in 2, 3, or even 5 years. The community is still talking about the future of the popular meme coin shibainu. There is now a market cap of $7,500,000,000, 0 cents for Shib again, thanks to a huge price jump on the charts. If Shib ends the day on a good note tomorrow, it will be the 4th week in a row that it has done so. The last time this happened was in late September 2021, when Shiba Inu hit its all-time high of 0.88 at press time. Shib was worth 0.00001549 after going up 23% in the past 24 hours. The Shiba Inu army has been waiting for a long time for Shiba Inu to go up in price, and they continue to support the meme coin. Just recently, Shiba Inu was over 85% off its all-time high, but the recent surge made people feel better about it. Much of the reason for the bull activity lies in the recent developments around Shiba Inu. There are high expectations in the community regarding the launches of Shibarium Layer 2 and the Shibanu financial ecosystem, like Ethereum. Shibanu also faces network congestion issues and high gas fees. This further puts the launch of Shibarium in the spotlight as it aims to make transactions cheaper and faster. The Shibarium public beta testnet is expected to be launched this quarter. Meanwhile, the metaverse and the Shibinu NFT ecosystem launches are set to launch in Q4 of 2022, according to whale stats. The top 2,000 Ethereum whales have been actively making huge changes among their holdings. As of the 13th of August, these whales held over $179,340,000 0 cents worth of Shiba Inu. There has been a massive change in these holdings since the 3rd of August, when holdings totaled $600 million 0 cents. This represents lost confidence among the market maker whales of the community. Despite the whale factor, there has been an enormous spike in profitability among Shiba Inu investors. According to Sentiment, the MVRV ratio took a huge jump today and is now at 23.32%. This can be used to show that short-term traders are becoming more interested in shibainu as prices rise and quick profits are expected. Shibainu's RSI has gone up a lot in the last 12 hours and was above 90. This means that the asset is in a heavily overbought zone, which can also mean that the price will go back up soon. However, investors in shibainu are going to enjoy the ride for now, as CoinMarketCap lists it as the 15th largest cryptocurrency. Shibainu was recently in the news when the much-anticipated Bone Farms proposal won the community vote with a majority of 97.88%. Bone is one of 4 tokens used in the Shiba INU Shib ecosystem for selling, staking, and rewards. The other 3 are shibaswap, LP, Shiba INU leash, and shibaswap. July was a bit better for the cryptocurrency markets. Ethereum led the way with gains from users looking forward to the merge. This was also done by Bitcoin and other big crypto projects. Shibainu also made a small recovery, but Shib's burn portal was still going strong. In July, a total of 4.76 billion shibainu tokens were burned and sent to the dead wallet, according to Shib Burn. The burns happened over 505 transactions. The burns continued into August 1, with a huge 6.6 million shibainu tokens being burned in one transaction and another 1.3 million tokens being burned over another transaction, according to the burn portal. On August 1, 216,487,442 SHIB tokens were burned in 24 hours across 32 different transactions. It came out in April. Shibainu's burn site has been working hard to lower the number of SHIB tokens in circulation. This is an attempt to make each token more valuable, but so far the efforts have not been as successful as hoped. At least for now, the burns haven't changed how much the token costs. The game is being made with help from Playside Studios, and the team has announced that it will be available on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. The project also has a lot of releases planned for this year, and a lot of people are really looking forward to the release of their layer 2 called shibainu, who will also release a stablecoin called SHI and a prize token called Treat. Some experts say that Shibainu's rise might have something to do with Ethereum, the huge cryptocurrency that powers the blockchain that Shibainu and similar coins like Bone and Leash use. After passing a big technical test, Ethereum developers recently said that a long-awaited update to its blockchain could come as early as the middle of September. On Monday, the price of Ethereum went up 1.6%, and the price of Dogecoin, a dog-themed memo coin on Ethereum's blockchain, went up 2.5%. Over the weekend, both Dogecoin and Shibainu broke out. This is clear proof that small investors are back. Hayden Hughes, CEO of social trading platform Alpha Impact, wrote on Monday that it's important not to put too much stock in Shibainu's rise. He said that the Shibainu coin is a highly volatile meme coin with little real value, even though it has a large and enthusiastic following. He also said that some traders cashed out their savings at or near the top of the market and made millions. One Reddit user said, "I don't know what's going on right now, but it seems to be a pump and dump," meaning that SHIB's value could drop as quickly as it rose. A day like today gives a lot of people great chances to sell, but we should also remember that the token that started out as a meme coin made all of its investors 100% profits in just one night, making several millionaires. So it's time to buy Shibainu now because the price may go up tonight. That's all for today. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel to see more videos.